Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on Microsoft Edge. The screen is a flashing black when you are navigating the web browser. Alright, so this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang first method na pwede natin gawin ay dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang select tong settings. And then dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select tong apps. And then dito sa apps, so dito lang sa pinakauna. And then dito sa apps ay kailangan mo lang select tong installed apps. And then dito sa installed apps, so dito lang sa search app, so search lang natin yung Microsoft Edge or type Edge. And then lalabas ito. Alright, so ang next step, dito lang sa pinakauna yung Microsoft Edge. Dito sa right side ay kailangan mo lang select tong tatlong dot. Click mo lang tong modify. And then kailangan mo nang select itong refer Microsoft Edge. So click mo lang ito. And then hintayin natin mag-download complete at mag-install yung refer po niya. Alright, so after installing complete and downloading the Microsoft Edge repair, kung ganun pa rin yung problem, so in next method na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo. And then kailangan mo lang select tong device manager. Dito sa device manager ay kailangan mo lang select tong display adapter. So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next kailangan mo lang select tong graphics. And then right click lang tayo. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select tong update driver. So dito sa update driver ay may dalawang options. So pwedeng search automatically for drivers. And then browse my computer for drivers. So select lang natin tong browse my computer for drivers. And then next ay kailangan mo lang select to let me pick from the list of available drivers on my computer. So click mo lang yan. And then ito na siya. So makikita mo dito yung compatible hardware drivers na pwede natin install. So select lang tayo dito. So select lang natin ito number 1. And then next ay kailangan mo lang click tong next. Alright, so makikita nyo dito na Windows has successfully updated yung drivers. Okay, so ang next step dito ay kailangan lang natin itong i-close. So close tayo. And then dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then click mo lang itong restart. So kailangan lang natin mag-restart para ma-fix yung Microsoft Edge flashing black screen. Alright, so I hope this quick tutorial will really help for you. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.